We do have another thing on the misnomer. Any thermostat can control a dual fuel system. Hey, JD, you're in tech support. How often do you get asked the question like, "Hey, does this thermostat work?" Or "How do I wire that thermostat?" Or "How do I use this thermostat or make this thermostat work?" Or you
I
know,
would on a daily basis.
daily basis.
Uh,
Okay, so I mean, whether or not you use one that's designed by a search engine company or someone who's been making thermostats for the last 100 years.
A
Um,
search engine company.
well, I'm just saying,
That's pretty good.
for any of us that's done this long enough, I remember a product they used to call it a Bill Porter board.
It took until 2019 when they came out with the Flex before I realized that you didn't need a dual fuel board anymore. It was built into the thermostat.
Seems like most of the smarter thermostats that people are using, like as far as popular options, are capable of doing dual fuel.
oh yeah,
Okay.
and
Uh,
a lot of them even come with a sensor that you can run to the outdoor, and you can set it at a certain temperature for the outdoor unit, or you can set it to be a differential if the unit's not keeping up. Then your dual fuel kicks in, or there's a lot of different options.
right.
What's the industry standard been that way for 30 years? Let's just go with 30 years. Balance point, shut the heat pump off and you're done temperature.
I mean, it used to be 30 degrees, but
Exactly.
yeah,
But it's
that
not
was
that way anymore.
no.
Right.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
remember it being like 38 degrees because, obviously no heat pump back in the day could really do a whole lot below that. And now
right.
we're going all the way down to negative 22 and we're still keeping up with, producing heat, which is pretty
Yeah,
amazing.
Anybody that's got a heat pump, I mean, it obviously offer the best solution that you have in mind, for the homeowner. Let them make an informed decision, but at the same time, maybe they can just extend the amount of time they could run that much more efficient heat pump.
Thanks for getting involved. If you need more answers, catch us live every month when we tackle your questions in real time. Head over to greecomfort.com/gree-training where you can register for the next Talking Comfort Live. See you there.